Hello guys, through this video we will discuss the implementation of the workspace. Make sure that you have watched this video before you start unless you have already worked with the Python environment. First, we will see what Anaconda is and how to download it, how to access and configure the Future Courses environment to work with Python. To finish, the most important part is the discovery of Anaconda interface and particularly Jupyter. Anaconda is a distribution of Python. A distribution contains a multitude of Python libraries and ensures that they work well together. Some of the most complex libraries may have dependencies, and Anaconda ensures that they work well together. So, if you are an advanced user of Python, you may not or may install Anaconda and have access to Jupyter. Or if you are familiar with Pipe, you can continue to work on it. Then guys, let's install Anaconda environment together. So, through your search bar, you just have to type Anaconda Python download. Go inside the first website of Anaconda. You can see, for example, within Anaconda documentation, you can see different features for Anaconda Teams Edition, Anaconda Individual Edition, Anaconda Cloud. So to install it, it's really simple. We go back to installation part for Anaconda Individual Edition. Okay, let's go to installation. You have to know that Anaconda offers different installation links depending on your system. So you have the choice between Windows, Mac or Linux depending of your margin. I work with Windows, so I will select these categories. Let's do it. You have in details the different steps of the installation. So I agree. You can see it. Little advice on this part. If you're installing Python for the first time, I advise you to check the box because you won't be able to invoke Conda or Jupyter Notebook in your command line. In this situation, if you don't check this box, you will have to open Anaconda prompt for that. So here it's important to select the box. For example, for Linux, you have also in details the different steps to install it. So let's go back on Windows. You just have to download the Anaconda installer. Here, you can see that, for example, thanks to Anaconda, you can use Panda, Matplotlib, NumPy, for example, and for Jupyter, you can also see what you can be able to do thanks to that. And you can see the interface of Anaconda Navigator with Jupyter Notebook and others. So just go and install Anaconda. And then you have the choice between Windows, Mac or Linux. Depending of your machine, you can choose it. For example, let's do it for this one. Okay, welcome to Anaconda. Finally, you have just to follow the different steps. See you in the next video, guys.